get some food, and come back. What wanna say about that? I'll jump off, get some food, feel back at energy, and come back. And trust me, everybody will wonder why I not answer certain things or what, but everything will happen, I see it because I have a phone. So everything will happen, I see it, I just choose nothing, involve myself in a certain or with certain people again. You see me? But yeah, for the interview now, guys, Thursday, we're not gonna hear more about the interview or on the interview. Alright, I gotta eat some food and come back. I gotta look some food for eat and come back. Big up unknown. Unknown. Unknown, big up yourself, unknown. So love you guys, love you guys. Make sure everybody follow me. Please follow. Guys, you know say the 27th of the month is my birthday. Of the month is my birthday. As I come here leaving, Tweety birthday, you know, say my day and I say, I go look some food for it. The 27th. Yeah, me I keep a party. Mine is the 23rd. Wow, Peter, get big up yourself. Big up all of the June baby them. Big up the... Yeah, Tweety, some food me I go look and forward back, man. Mine is the 28th. What, Tanisha? Tanisha, make sure you damn a party. The 27th of June. Your daughter the 27th. Your daughter the 22. Wow. As soon as me end the live here, I'm gonna make a video. All of the June people them want to drop a comment on the video. Me I gonna make it after this. So after the live, yeah, I'm gonna make the video. Everybody who born June want to drop a like on it. Mine was the 7th. So Lisa, where you do for your birthday? Where you do for your birthday? Lisa, where you do for your birthday? My son is the 28th, but he passed away. Oh my God. Lady Benz, I'm so sorry. Lady Benz, you can celebrate my birthday with me, you know. My daddy 27, man. You know? Good morning, sexy mama. Thing with June deep is June people have too much art. June the 18th. June people, good morning. One purpose, never two. Good morning. It was the 7th and my daughter was the 8th. Big up. Head tap. How are you? No, like on the live.
Hi.
Live Lady Benz. Hi, what's up, Head tap? Morning. Why you call? Why your name Head tap?
Yeah, come love go for me hit up. Cause I'm a dancer, you know.
Yeah. Oh, you dance, you love go for Head tap. Say, yeah, come on my party, come go for Head tap.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on my party, come go for Head tap.
Wait. Which part of party I keep?
Papi, turn your camera now.
Which part of party I keep?
Turn your camera.
Not right now, I'm in bed. I'm in bed.
Oh. But it a keep a popping.
Which part name Papine?
Lord Jesus. Where are you from? Juicy.
Montego Bay.
Oh, Moby, you come from. Kingston. Kingston it a keep.
Yes. Oh.
Zinc roof better in Jamaica. Cause when rain fall, are the nicest feelings. Whereas you have somebody in your house, oh God, it's sex for the whole evening. Yeah, the board rotten, the board rotten. But nobody normally use board roof. But they normally use board roof. Yeah, deck. When you deck it better. But you know, they can have a who have money. Man, no money, you know. Kill it. I'm fine.
Nice.
Sometimes I have to wonder if some of them man I love man to bumbuckler. Look how much girl, look how much woman, look how much lady they on the live. And it take a man for comment and like bro, come on man, and do better with the life no man. You don't have no phone and dep on man live, brother. Oh God man. Guys, may I play one and done.
Ik op op.
Mamacita. You know, so I need to put on my pants, you know. Guys, I'm gonna wake up, I just there, so naked. Mamacita. Thank you, Mamacita.
Appreciate.
Yes, okay, begging my money gun. Somebody begging my money gun, please. One money gun smoking on the live. OMG. Kayla Lee, you frightened? Yeah, you're frightened Tuesday. You're frightened Wednesday. Mamacita, thank you.
Lili, no, tú no. Ah. Maar no, pena, sí, tú vámonos. Não sei onde é que estão as pessoas, foram todas embora. Vamos lá abrir assim. Ah, isto é água, não?
Sita, thank you. Oh, guys,
Oh, hey, hoe gaat het? Ai, Lili, tem tanta coisa para fazer. Daqui a meia hora já tenho que ir trabalhar. Oh my god, I was not expect that, really. Oh my god, Diego, you are amazing, 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 amazing. I'm following you already. I'm following you. Thank you so much.